From the entrance, you can see the living room. Just to the left of the front door is the office and art room for the kids. The living room has high ceilings, fireplace, lots of windows, and leads into the kitchen dining area. Notice the breakfast bar, informal dining room, entrance out to the patio, new wood stove, mudroom. This leads to the garage. Huge pantry, sink in the mudroom. Here's another view of the kitchen. High-end appliances. Beautiful backsplash. Large sink. This leads into the formal dining room.